mountains and sea. You are treading a path set for me. God of the seasons and sky, you have always been holding my life. And Lord, you are the shepherd of my soul. So I lay down my plans, I give up my rights, let you take control of this surrendered life. So I put my trust in the one who created the stars and the sun. Oh, you are eternally kind, always faithful and endlessly wise. Lord, you are the shepherd of my soul. So I lay down my plans, I give up my rights, let you take control of this surrendered life. And Lord, you are the shepherd of my soul. So I lay down my plans, I give up my rights, let you take control of the surrendered life.